matamig koan. We're going to 3 locations today to be a good manghod sister. I'm being a good manghod by scouting and doing an ocular visit for my ever so great older sister, for my best nephew ever. Char. Only nephew ra good, pero like we want him to have a good third birthday party even though dili niya ma-remember akong effort. So moadto mig bar siya og dera. So we'll take you guys with us cause why not, no? For the cloud. So motor come with us, guys. First stop is Barsha Heights for Chef Tristan na party hall. Then we're going to Dera for Chef Tristan party hall again and Jollibee. So see you guys there. I'm here to be a supporting actress. Okay, bye. Ano yung building? The MAC Executive Heights Barsha, and then there ang entrance sa parking. Yeah, dito padulong ang venue somewhere there. So ina na siya, musulod ka dira for the parking. So this is the first area we did the ocular visit. This was the Chef Tristan in Barsha. The place was very nice. It could fit up to 30 to 40 packs, and this is outside where the parking can be done. This is the parking slots or spaces there. So guys, mananamig scout. Wow, paspas na day siya, no? Sabi na ko, daghan pa ko ma-view. Isa na day siya ka-place. So next stop is Dera. Dubai sun is sunning. So this is Chef Tristan in Dera. It's the hall 1. It can fit 40 packs or 40 people. And then you can see later where the buffet area and the backdrop will be set up. So this is the buffet trays and the backdrop. Padulong mi sa hall 2.
Yung admin po namin.
Ang
Ito po yung
hall 2.
photo booth. Ito po yung hall 2. Ito po yung photo booth area.
Okay.
Dito naman po is ang ating
Washroom?
washroom po. Dito po.
Ay, okay. Mas bigger dyan dito.
70 packs pwede po makita po.
Ano yung hall 2 mas wow siya. Tingnan niya ang setup na dari ang hall, ay ang buffet. Buffet, tapos guests, and then ang backdrop. Pati yung ano. Ano yung parking area, guys? National Depot. It's okay. So, nanami sa Dera City Center, guys, nga mall. Kinay Jollibee Dairy. This is our 3rd location for inquiry. So, we'll see you there sa Jollibee. Mag-snack food mi dito. Zib, pansin na ba mi ha?
Tayo nito. So, minimum of 30 packs lang po. Ang party area po natin ay hanggang 35 packs lang po. Kasya.
Okay. Kinsa ni uy nakiki-party lagi. Ay, gamay rush. Nanami sa Jollibee, guys. Manamig inquire. So, bangaon ni. Hi. Guys. This is the pistachio kunafa sundae sa Jollibee. So, ato siyang sulayan. One of everything. We have the pistachio kunafa and the ice cream. Mura na siya tatong sa chocolate. Mura siya gitopping sa sundae. Pero nindot ang texture sa kunafa. So, may message again. Maraming kaon, guys. So, thank you for coming with us and checking the different venues. Bye-bye. Or so I thought. Guys! Wala pa may kauli. Kay si Biyaya na yayay.
Pero nawala na ba yung kurug-kurug ba?
Nawala na ang kurog-kurog pero naay something na light. So, di na ta magpato.
Ayaw, magpatuto. Ay,
Nagduduwa may
delikado.
pato. Magpato mi kay ganina nagkagalkal og kuan sputtering. So nagduwa mi may gani ni dool nga gasolinahan. Ya, may gani buutan ning mga taga diri. Wala nila gihilabtan ng sakyanan kay ma-void ang warranty. So karon na nawag na lang mig towing service naghulat mi. Mga tumig DIP guys and it's 9:27 na unsa naman ni. Pa mi nag-expect nga mokalit lang og kayayay si Biyaya. Sumara to. Guys, ito nami guys. Wala towing na.
May gani ang iyang sakyanan.
Padulong na may DIP guys. We were so thankful guys kay very smooth ang process and then good thing humot ang sakyanan niya. So we got there and dropped off Biyaya. So we did a quick scan and took a video sa current state or what state we left the car in if na scratches or whatever. And then at that time wala gidawat or gi-formally accept ang car because the staff was from Mitsubishi. So they just told us to leave the car there, take the key with us and come back tomorrow morning to hand it over to the Jack personnel. So nahuman na namog tow ang si Biyaya guys. Naghulat na may taxi. May gani 24 hours diri. Thank you sa Hub Tour. Thank you kay okay ang all, buutan ang taga-gasolinahan, okay po ang nag-towing, kalmado, kabaw mo English, dili baho. Ang mga tao po diri, no? Ay, nako. Kumusta ang stress levels na to diha?
Katulogon na. Harot na.
Alas
ang
11.
tanang emosyon.
Tanang
karong
adrenaline.
Adlawa.
Mag-alas,
ma-refill ni siya para sa
11 na guys. So, ano na namang ride, bye. Nakauli na mi, but what a stressful end to our day. Nato kami day. Sige, good night.